family of Texas that own a company. And there's vacation over there they use.
Hear the music.
Yeah, man, there's a lot to take in.
There's a lot to take in.
So
Nobody tell me who live now.
Yeah. So when you see people that talk about Jamaica poor, you respond like, I don't feel the Singapore.
This new one.
Yeah, man, it just done.
See that? On the inside of plaster.
The last time I come here, never there.
Heard that? What mean that?
And this lot is unique because it has the only one have like a double lot.
Double lot?
So
oh.
All of the land.
Oh, then cutting like half acre?
Yeah, you don't really get much space up here, but if you spend your money, you will get much.
So like, what is it, $500,000?
Yeah, and this listing here is one of ours as well. It's 2 properties mixed in one. So this is, you can walk from this one, go over this one. So they're being sold separately.
Oh, my damn cul-de-sac.
Cul-de-sac, yeah. So these are 2 properties in one by one of our agents. So you can hit her up, you know?
Yeah. Not tell nobody hit up nobody. Oh, you come like a...
Bro, I first come here and something.
First man come over here, so yeah, man, I always like yard with palm trees, like a big old royal palm.
Yeah, bro. And you see this house, you see all of the window there what you see? By one person remote. There are some shutters.
Let's go.
Lock down the place. Yeah, crazy. So like a hurricane. You see the girl down there? How it
yeah.
Down there says the bar and recreation area. So them look like that.
What not live over here, brother?
These are like vacation homes, I think. For like white. But I'm not gonna bring race into it, but affluent people.
Jesus.
And over there I think it's Lennox.
Aristocrats. Wow, but neck.
A lot over here will run a 500,000 US.
People think when they come down here with $30 US, then do everything. And buy everything. And
it's all connected by a golf course, so each house has at least four carts or so. You can just follow the trail and
go. This lead me go far back?
This lead up at the golf clubhouse on the top of the hill.
Where they down there, so it makes sense?
Yeah, you can go down there. I don't think this one's finished as it. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that, but it's some affluent person.
Brother, man. No, guys, we're still in Jamaica.
Lavish, brother. I don't think this house is finished yet, because the last time it's on a cul-de-sac as well. Or what we Jamaicans call a dead end.
Dead end.
But yeah, it's very beautiful. And the view,
oh, that down there, so no. Makes sense.
You can go down there and turn. It's a bit worn down, so I don't think.
You can look on the place and say, people not up here, like nobody not really live here.
Yeah,
I just say vacation homes.
It's like vacation. So. But where we are going, that's where it's mostly active, because those are like villas, active villas.
Oh, yippee!
So nobody fool and tell us that there's nobody in Jamaica. There's nobody here.
Oh, look a piece of food there, man.
Yeah. As you can see, based on the frames of the windows, I can see that nobody has been here in quite some time.
Dash on alone, now get bus. Ismash now get bus. We need to get bus. One piece of land up here, so. Oh, this one dead end again.
Yeah. So I tell us it's really private.
Up here, so remind me of Spring Garden.
Spring Farm.
Spring Garden. I say isolated old tower. I know what I said. But a little bit after already.
One thing I like about out here, most of the view them just every lot have a nice view.
But they clean up one land up there right there.
But you have maintenance crew come, we look kind of shabby now, but they run through and they vacuum the roads and then see the clubhouse up at the top there, so I don't know if you could see. So if you can go further and go private. So if once you want a lot over here, you have access to everything.
Oh, the amenities.
The amenities, everything. Imagine you just step out of your backyard right into a golf course. Whole one, whole two.
on. I lie, I'm gonna live up here still now. I'm a light here, no bro.
When I tell me I have one day for Jamaica, I still to that trip.
Your word kinda remind me still.
Yeah, just remind us like everybody can still.
Yeah, man. Them screen, like the association can do look screening, like they look one look a screening. I say, yo, that's on, yeah. Where the fell living? Yeah. Treatment plant?
No, where the auxiliary workers are, where the guys are ground. That's how they keep them truck on it.
Oh.
And equipment.
Yeah, boy! Pure decent-ish.
And remember, guys, we're yet to see the best part.
This is yet to come.
Best is yet to come.
But I split that video up in two pieces. That one I'm just literally driving a community.
You don't feel like you're firing with them.
Yeah. And I do another video.
Can be like I'm the main with them. Knowing people then go love that guy. I love to talk about, oh my god, that house is so nice. I just want to say, you look a 3-bedroom house where you build. So we're glad for one of them there right now. So we can just imagine their reaction and then see.
In the next video, it's up by the time this video is up.
Up here, so it's another private property. But you know, you can't just drive up in there.
And them on a place, you know. Man, everywhere up here, so. I don't know money.
No, forgive me, that's a golf cart park.
Danger, high voltage. High voltage, high voltage. Alrighty. So as I said, the next video I go do one viewing our house. And that house is, I don't know if you describe it. Give me a word.
Enormous.
Enormous. How may I come from that way?
Yeah, I'm going straight.
So yeah, guys, that's a J3 community. If you just have a look on it, it's one of the most affluent communities. Them, you know, St. James.
That many people don't know.
You know, say yeah, cause it kind of tucked and hidden away. Yeah. And I probably
people only know about it, I think, by word of mouth.
Yeah. This could be this amongst the price range I house were in a golden triangle. You know the price range, all of them expensive something that will cost $4 million and $10 million. We have data in there. The house I'm gonna show in a video in our next video have data. What else is that here? 12 bedroom house. It's basically a hotel. Up here something. Yeah, so alright, so yeah. See you in my next video. Let's get it.